Plant FAQs, Begonia Cocktail Mix. Begonia Cocktail Mix, your guide to a vibrant bloom. Hi there, Furbu here. As a plant enthusiast, I constantly come across fascinating flora, and the Begonia Cocktail Mix is no exception. This beauty boasts a delightful combination of colorful blooms and stunning foliage, making it a standout in any garden. Today, I'll be your guide to everything Begonia Cocktail Mix. We'll delve into frequently asked questions, explore its care needs, and even compare it to other popular begonias. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Cocktail Mix? The Begonia Cocktail Mix is a hybrid variety of the Begonia semperflorens cultorum, wax begonia. This compact plant is known for its dark bronze foliage that acts as a canvas for a vibrant display of blooms. The cocktail element comes from the delightful mix of flower colors, a delightful blend of pinks, scarlets, and whites. These blooms typically appear in large, double forms, adding a touch of elegance to the overall presentation. Begonia Cocktail Mix versus other begonias, picking your perfect plant. With so many begonia varieties out there, choosing the right one can be tricky. Here's a quick comparison of the Begonia Cocktail Mix to two other popular options. Begonia Dragonwing. This variety boasts cascading stems adorned with large, vibrant flowers. It thrives in hanging baskets and containers, making it a great choice for vertical gardening. However, the Dragonwing doesn't offer the same color variation as the cocktail mix. Begonia boliviensis. This beauty features large, single blooms in shades of orange, red, and pink. It requires slightly more shade than the cocktail mix and prefers consistently moist soil. While stunning, the boliviensis lacks the compact form and bronze foliage of the cocktail mix. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your garden's layout and your desired aesthetic. How much sunlight does a Begonia Cocktail Mix need? These begonias thrive in partial sun, receiving around 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Too much sun can scorch the leaves, while inadequate light can lead to leggy growth and fewer blooms. What's the ideal watering schedule? Water your Begonia Cocktail Mix when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Does the Begonia Cocktail Mix need fertilizer? During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer applied every 2 weeks can promote vibrant blooms. Opt for a diluted solution to avoid burning the plant. Is the Begonia Cocktail Mix winter hardy? No, these begonias are not frost tolerant. If you live in a cold climate, bring your plants indoors before the first frost or grow them in containers that can be easily moved. Can I propagate the Begonia Cocktail Mix? Absolutely. You can propagate new plants through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem tip with a few leaves, dip it in rooting hormone, and plant it in a pot with moist potting mix, bringing the Begonia Cocktail Mix to life in your garden. With its vibrant blooms and attractive foliage, the Begonia Cocktail Mix is a surefire way to add a touch of cheer to your garden. Here are some additional tips for success. Planting. Choose a well-draining potting mix when planting your Begonia Cocktail Mix in containers. Opt for a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering throughout the season. Simply pinch off the faded flowers at the base of the stem. Pests and diseases. While generally pest-resistant, these begonias can be susceptible to powdery mildew in humid conditions. Ensure good air circulation and water the base of the plant rather than the leaves to prevent this fungal disease. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the beauty of the Begonia Cocktail Mix for seasons to come. Remember, happy gardening!